Hey friends, let's do 18 in Life guitar lesson, another fantastic song by Skid Row. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for our intro, we're just starting on this C sharp minor. Play 4 on the A, 5 on the B, 6 G, back to 4 on the A, then go 4 B, G, D, play 4 on the A and hammer on to 6. So then we just play that C sharp minor again, 4A, 5B, 6G, 4 on the A, back to the 4 on the B, G, D, then just play 7 on the E, do the C sharp minor again, 4A, 5B, 6G, 4A, this time go 4, B, G, D, A, open A, 2nd fret D, and then just play the 2nd fret on the G, open E and B, so on A sus2, and then play 2nd fret on the A, 4 on the D, and strum down 4G, open E and B. And we just do that 2 times there, and that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're just bending 14 on the E, bend it up a tone, go another half step, and then release back to the 14. And they're all the parts of the intro. So guitar 1 we're just doing exactly the same as the intro, except the second time through we still do the C sharp minor to our 4, 4, 4, 4, hammer onto 6, back to the C sharp minor, 4B, 4G, 4D, 7 on the E, and our C sharp minor, and then we just play 4 on the B, G, D, A, and we have the heavy guitar kicking in there. Then once the heavy guitar kicks in, which is guitar 2, we'll have a look at that in a minute, guitar 1 just goes back to our clean riff again. And we finish it here the same as we just did. Now let's have a look at the heavy guitar. So we do a slide, play the A power chord, 2 palm mutes on the open A to the B, then we play the 6th fret on the D with a pinched harmonic, and the second guitar or the third guitar is just playing the 4th fret on the E. Then we do 2, slide up to 4 on the A, then we play 4 on the A, 6 on the D, 6 on the G, 5 on the B, open E. Bar there, slide again to the A power chord, to the B power chord, and then just the 4th fret on the E. And they're all the parts of the verse there. So we're just playing an A power chord, open, then palm mute, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, play 2nd fret on the A, 4 on the E, go to an F sharp power chord and do the same, open and palm mute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, play E, F sharp, come up to G sharp, open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to F sharp, to G sharp, to A, then to our B power chord, and then just play 3rd fret on the A. Now the second guitar, when we're jumping to that G power chord, again is just doing a 6th fret on the D pinched harmonic there. And that's our pre-chorus. So guitar 1's just playing the C sharp minor, but you just do a power chord because we're playing 4A, 6 on the D, 6 on the G, back to 6D. Go to an A power chord and we're doing the same. A, D, G, D. Then we go into an E chord, play the open E string, open B, open E, back to open B. Then we go into a B power chord, play second fret on the A, 4 on the D, 4 on the B this time, and then play 3 on the A. And we just repeat that 4 times. So slowly, to the A, to the E, to the B. And guitar 2 is just playing the power chords. So we have the C sharp, to the A, to the E, to the B, and add the third fret in, back to the C sharp, A, E, B, and third fret there. And we just do each part through 4 times. So for our little post-chorus, it's just the same riff again that we did for the intro and the verse. To the 7, to the A sus2, and then we have a second guitar on that, so let's have a look at that. So we're just starting with 2 palm mutes on the 4th fret A 2 times, and then play 4 G 5 on the B and slide down. 2 palm mutes again on the A 4th fret, 4th fret on the G and the B, slide down. 4th fret on the A again 2 times, and then play 4 and 5. 1 palm mute on the E4, 4 on the G and the B, come back to 2 on the A, and then repeat again, 4 on the A, 4 and 5, slide down, 4 on the A again 2 times, 4 and 4, do a pinched harmonic on the 2nd fret A, and then an A power chord, a B power chord, and a 3rd fret A there. And then we have these little solos. Let me play that for you. So the first solo, and there's going to be a harmony on this, we're just playing B, 9, 7, G, 9, bend and release, D, 9, G, 6. And the harmony is going to be basically exactly the same. 9, G, 6 on the G, 9 on the D, do a bend and release, 9 on the A, and 6 on the D. And they're all the parts of the post-chorus. So for our next verse, guitar 1's just doing the clean riff again. And we just play that through once there. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So while the clean guitar is playing, we're doing the same that we did in the post-chorus. 4 on the A 2 times to the 4 and 5, slide down 4 on the A 2 times, 4 on the G and the B, back to 4 on the A, 4 and 5, 1 4 on the A, 4 and 4, back to 2 on the A 3 times, repeat again, 4A to 4 and 5, slide down 4A 2 times, 4 G and B, then just play the A power chord, B power chord, then do a pitched harmonic on the 4th fret on the E. Then we're repeating that again, and both guitars play this time. 4A, 4 and 5, slide down 4A, 4 and 4, 4 on the A, 4 and 5, 4 on the A once, 4 and 4. Go 2 times on the 2nd fret A, and we're doing a pinched harmonic on the 4th fret on the G. Back to the 4 on the A 2 times, 4 and 5. This time do 4 on the A 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4s again. Back to the A power chord to the B, pinched harmonic 4th fret on the E. And that's our verse there. From our verse we just go back to the pre-chorus, and that's exactly the same as before. So we're just doing the start of the chorus exactly the same again, our C sharp to our A to our E, the arpeggio picking to the B, 3, and we do that 3 times, and the 4th time we start the same with our C sharp, our A, then just go to an E power chord, to a B power chord, play it again, and then we're coming up to the C sharp. We're going to play off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off. And that's guitar 1 there. Now guitar 2 is just doing the power chords like our previous chorus. E to the B. We do that 3 times, and the 4th time we do the start the same. A, E, B, B, and this time we're going to do the C sharp, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, and then we're going to slide up to the 17 on the B and do a bend on 19. And then we have the harmony on that, we're just sliding up to 18 on the G and doing a bend on 19 on the E. And that's our next chorus C. So guitar 1 for our bridge, we just play the E power chord, then up on the open E and B. E string, open, 2, 4, A, 2, hammer onto 4, back to 2. Stay on the A, 2, 4, 2, E, 4, 5, and then 5, 4, 5, back to A, 2, hammer onto 4, back to 2. And then guitar 2, let's do that now. So this time we're just playing our E power chord, jumping to a B, and we do off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, to an A power chord the same, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, back to the B. And we have a slide there. And that's our bridge there. Then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll look at our solos at the end. It's just the same as the chorus, the power chord. C sharp, A, E, B, to the 3rd fret A, and we just do that 4 times, and that's the solo rhythm, and we'll have a look at the solo at the end. Then from there we go back to the chorus, and both guitar parts are the same. We just play it 4 times through. Then we have this little outro here. We're just playing again the chorus riff to the E to the B. We do that 3 times, and then to finish off, just the C sharp again to the A. Play the E power chord to the B power chord up to the C sharp power chord. The second guitar is just playing all power chords there through the chorus. C sharp, A, E, B, 3rd fret A, do that 3 times, and we finish off the same. C sharp, A, E, B, and C sharp there. So they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. Start on the B, 4, hammer onto 5, 6G, do that again, 4, hammer onto 5, 6G, then go 4, hammer onto 5 on the B again, bend the 5th fret with a pinched harmonic, release the 5, bend, pull off the 4 and play 4 on the G. Do the 4, hammer onto 5, B to the 6G again. Then we're staying on the B this time, go 9, 12, 9, 12 bend, release the bend, pull off to 9, play 9 on the G, bend 11 on the G, while the bend's up, play 12, go back to 11, release it, pull off to 9 and play 9 on the D, 8 on the G. Then from there we're doing a pinched harmonic on the 9th fret, start with the bend up on the G string, let it come down, pull off to 8, play 9, 11, on the B, 9, 10, 12, 10, jump to 11 G, and then we've got this little run down, E, 9, B, 12, 10, 9, G, 11, 9, slide back to 8, hammer onto 9, pull off to 8. Then we have this little quick run, A, 14 and all legato, hammer onto 16, D, 14, 16, 18, G, 14, 16, 14 on the B, bend 17 on the B, release, pull off to 16 and play 17, then jump to 19 on the E, and this little quick bit to finish, play all legato again, 17, pull off to 16, hammer on 17, pull off to 16, slide back to 14 on the E, hammer on 16, pull off to 14, jump to the B, 17, 16, 14, 17, 16, 14, 16 on the G, and then do a bend on 19 on the E. And that's the main solo. Now let's have a look at the outro solo. So we're going to slide up to 9 on the G, play 8, 9 on the D, play 9, hammer onto 11, and 6 on the D, 6 hammer onto 7, and then 9 on the A, and we do that 2 times. So 9, 8, 9, 9 hammer onto 11, 6, 6 hammer onto 7, 9, and you can use your bar there. Then we do this little run up, B, 9, 12, E, 9, 11, 12, back to 11, to 12 on the B, 12 hammer onto 14, 13 on the G, 13 hammer onto 14, 11. Then we have this other little run, B, 14, 12, E, 14, 12, B, 16, 12, then do 11 hammer onto 12 on the E, back to 11, 12 on the B, and then just play 12 on B and E, then play 14 on the G, 12, B and E, do a bend on the 11 G, play 11, slide up to 13, 12 B, back to 13 G, pull off to 11, slide back to 9. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed 18 in Life Guitar Lesson by Skid Row. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam, pop and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.